We still got cousins still here.
Look at my hot mess.
And
Could you get Rashawn? Could you get that garage closed? I don't know what's in the way of it. Is it those boxes?
There's not no boxes.
It ain't. I just look and it's clear. But every time I go to close it now, it just does that.
so yesterday we had an eventful day in the pool, as y'all can see the pool out there.
And I just looked 3 times and ain't nothing in the way.
Got some salmon patties and bacon, some fish gravy. You know, I don't know if you guys are familiar with fish gravy. This right here, she made some grits. You want to say hey to the game?
Hey,
For the vlog, our vlog. The vlog.
I'm looking like a hot man.
Come on, this is the, you don't know, you don't understand vlogs. Vlogs is showing your whole life when you get ready in the morning, when you look in the hot mess, when you get cute.
Oh, wow.
Y'all have to watch more vlogs to see everybody else
I
vlogs.
didn't know that.
So yeah, gang, we're all, it's Mama Bree is very new.
I ever watched the blog.
Yeah.
Hey, it's my food.
What's your got, Mom?
I got a salmon cake, 2 slices of bacon, and some salmon gravy over some cheesy, buttery grits.
And what you drinking?
Ginger ale.
Yeah, y'all. So
This ginger ale right here.
yeah, that's the one she like because it's stronger.
So you know what? I was sprinkling some cayenne pepper in it. I always put like a pinch of.
You had a big point.
No, it's all the big. When I used to put it in my hand.
You know, forgot to pour it. Spread it out.
So got my ice. Put some water in there. I put the water hot because Sean vacuuming right now. He's getting some of the dog hairs up from this little thing right here. Tug, say hey to the gang. Tug, say hey gang. She's a little tired today. And we like it so far. It's our 4th, 5th time using it. We just got it Friday. See, it picks up really good. Picks up the dog hairs real good because Mama has a rainbow vacuum. If you know what that is, then you know what I'm talking about. Them big old bulky ones. What is it? Oh, a Kirby. Sorry, guys. Dang, I don't even know what I'm talking about. A Kirby vacuum. So if you know what a Kirby is, you know them things are heavy duty. So Mary and Sean getting ready to be preparing to do some recording today. So y'all just stay tuned for what we about to do or whatever. Hey, y'all stay here to the game. Gang. Look at our little cup holders, y'all. So cute. Find this at your local Walmart. How much were those? $3. $3. Yes. $3. Cousin, you okay?
Trying to float.
She okay though?
You all right?
Oh. What happened? Y'all so silly.
Talk about Charles last night. Stay your ass on time.
The water went in my nose, girl.
Oh, yeah.
And don't it burn?
Yeah.
I got yourself a new thing. I got yourself a new thing. DJ!
It's red. Why is it blinking red?
It's recording. Got yourself a new thing.
Well, it turned off. It turned off.
It's still recording.
Damn, I thought I killed your ass.
BJ, all your weight back on my weight?
But I can't see where. I can't see nothing.
No. Tap the screen. It's still recording.
That's a confusing. My film us.
Let me step on your back.
Oh my God! Don't kill him, girl.
Hold on.
That boy said, "What the fuck?"
We got
She talking about let me step on your bag.
I didn't even have a chance to say hell no. She just went, damn.
Step on your back for real. All right,
Look, DJ, look, you too heavy to step on his bag.
step on his shoulder.
What you what?
Hey, get on my shoulders. Come on.
Shit me.
There it is.
The hair gone. I told you. This shit about to be heavy.
You surely.
I can't do it.
You still above the water.
Tasha, are you holding Kayla?
Only time I get some affection from my hello. Don't let it down. Don't go. You scared me too.
I can float. Okay. You can drop me. I can float.
That poodle hair.
You do that, mother? No, I can't.
What are you talking about, poodle hair?
Mama got that poodle hair. He's looking in the back.
I know.
Look at Cuz, y'all. Cuz looking at me like, baby, you is bumping into me, baby.
While I'm over here chilling.
Why you keep trying to be in the camera, DJ?
He love the camera.
Dang.
Cold.
My drink went way over there.
Put your head so trash.
And right now, y'all, we eating some cheese steaks because it can't remind me to vlog.
I've been forgetting.
We got some banana peppers. Once we get into the groove, we'll know. We got chicken cheese steak right there because, you know, DJ, he don't eat beef. But
For 2 years, I've been beef free.
Like diamond.
Yeah.
How it tastes, y'all?
That gotta go ahead. Real good. It's popping. Yeah.
That chicken one hitting.
Yeah.
What did you say the name of this garlic stuff is?
Garlic aioli.
I'll send you the recipe. It's really, it's like the
That's stuff
easiest
in it to
thing.
me, honey.
I chopped up 2 cloves of garlic, just minced it.
We might
whole
want to
lemon,
taste the meat
like,
part.
Just squeeze it in there. A cup of mayonnaise, salt and pepper,
Damn.
and a little bit of Worcestershire
I
sauce.
like that one.
Yeah, you did say that.
I'll text you. That could go on any sandwich. You just toast a sandwich, put it on a
Right.
turkey sandwich, put it on a ham sandwich, put it on some barbecue.
That chicken one hitting different.
That chicken one hitting way different.
Back, you get that fork and that marshmallow do like this. It's almost like you're eating some more because it's
Yeah.
that part.
Cause what you said?
How you
man?
know about it? How you know about this?
Because I put some in there. I don't know who told me, but you get your
Moon
either
pie.
a double decker, moon pie, or a single, whatever you prefer. You put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds and it's going to raise up like that. You know, creamy. Get it and
It's
eat
good.
it. You know, the cream going to pull
Yeah,
out like
it's good.
that. What?
You should make a
Cause I'm
s'more.
gonna go get
I
me.
must-
I'm gonna go get this.
Go get it.
Yeah, let's go get them from the dollar store.
No, I'm gonna go get this.
And you put it in that microwave and let it heat for about 10 seconds. It depends on your microwave now.
But how did you learn this?
No, girl, I don't remember. I've been doing it for a long
You
time.
probably did it when you were
You
drunk.
can find out a lot of things
I
when you're
don't
drunk.
think so.
Yeah, you
But you
did.
know who turned me on to cinnamon bun and cheese, though? Shunanny.
I've heard about that. A honey bun
Honey
cheese.
bun and cheese.
Well, we do cinnamon rolls
Oh,
and put some cheese on top of it and let it melt down.
It's good.
It's good too.
it's good,
But you know we
weird.
use the red ring.
That's sweet, salty.
I use that
You know, do it. Yeah.
It's called
Because you had to
Yeah,
be
it's
drunk
called
when you
bun.
did that moon pie though.
I don't remember how I started.
I
doing
believe,
moon
cause yeah,
pies
that's
in
why
the
you don't
microwave.
remember it. You
Something
were
wrong with
drunk.
him.
Who
Something's
go?
wrong with
Who
him.
go?
No, I couldn't have been drunk because I'm not gonna eat a moon pie when I'm drunk.
You were sober.
Had to be. Because I don't do a whole lot of sweets when I'm drunk.
I'm the same way. I like savory. Give me some chicken.
I don't know.
Right, something like that.
Sandwich.
I'm not going to do a whole lot of sweets.
Well, I would
when I'm
never
drinking.
thought to put a moon pie in the
But now we got
microwave.
popsicle. We got popsicles.
Now, yeah, we
But
got
just think
popsicles.
about when
It's
you're
a
doing
box of them
marshmallow,
down here
like
and
if you're
we'll
doing
put
a
some in
s'mores and you heat the